Welcome to our easy guide on troubleshooting Telegram app crashes in 2025. In today's fast-paced digital age, having a reliable messaging app is crucial. Let's start by identifying the common causes of Telegram app crashes. These include unstable internet connections, outdated software, and device compatibility issues. A quick fix is to simply restart the app. Tap the app icon, swipe it away, and reopen it to see if that resolves the issue. Make sure your Telegram app is updated to its latest version. Navigate to your app store and check for any pending updates. Clearing the cache and data can also help optimize app performance. In your device settings, locate the app info for Telegram. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the Telegram app. This can rectify deeper issues. Ensure that your device supports the latest version of Telegram. Compatibility issues can lead to frequent crashes. Sometimes the issue might be system level. Try rebooting your device and see if that resolves the problem. If all else fails, don't hesitate to seek help from Telegram support. You can report persistent issues through their help menu. To recap, keeping your app updated, optimizing performance, and checking compatibility are key to ensuring a stable Telegram experience.